Easy Access Transitions Modular Entry Mats. Easy Access Transition Modular Entry Mats can be used for exits and entries, both indoors and outdoors, to meet a variety of needs. It can be easily trimmed for lower heights and narrow widths, or combined to reach greater heights. Standard width is 48 inches. For wider entrances, place 2 ramps side by side. The modular entry mat sits directly against the door sill to provide a smooth transition over most thresholds. Rubber mats are slip resistant and designed for years of continued use. Made of 100% recycled rubber, the Easy Access Modular Entry Mat features an 850-pound weight capacity, the Easy Access lifetime warranty, and are manufactured in the USA.